Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage language learning with LingQ, quick tutorial step by step clearly. First, head over to the LingQ website or open the LingQ app. Sign up for a new account or log into your existing one. Once logged in, choose your target language from the options provided. Begin by exploring the library of content available in your selected language. Use the search bar to find topics that interest you. Select a text that you would like to study. Once you open a text, you'll see unfamiliar words highlighted in blue. Click on any blue word to create a LingQ. Creating a LingQ saves the word and allows you to access its meaning and usage. As you click through, take a moment to read the definition and hear the pronunciation. Next, mark words as known once you feel comfortable with them. This will help you track your progress effectively. After creating sufficient LingQs, move on to the vocabulary section. Here, you can review your LingQs through flashcards. Practice using the flashcards daily to reinforce your learning. You can also engage with the community by participating in discussions. Join chat sessions or find a language partner to practice speaking. Set daily, weekly, or monthly goals within the app to stay motivated. Utilize the built-in progress tracker to monitor your improvements. Discover additional resources like podcasts, videos, and articles in your target language. Combine different types of content to enhance comprehension and retention. Finally, remain consistent and adjust your methods as you identify what works best for you. With these steps, you'll be well on your way to effective language learning with LingQ. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.